Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to enable talk directions in Google Map. So let's get started the video. Open Google Map, go to the top right and click on your profile icon. Select Settings, then scroll down a bit and select Navigation Settings. In the Sound Voice section, select Unmute and set the guidance volume to louder and make sure these options are on. And that's it. That's how you can enable talk directions in Google Maps. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.